Welcome to Next Gen Choices, where we explore how the decisions we make today really do shape tomorrow's winners.
Just take that in for a second. Hands down, the best 5.5 plus years of my life. I mean, can you imagine writing that? This is a real quote from a real person who quit their job at 36 to just travel the world, full time. It sounds like a total fantasy, right? But for a growing number of people, it's not a dream. It's a reality they actually chose to build for themselves.
So let me ask you this. What if you could quit your job forever? And I mean, really think about it. No more Monday morning dread, no more pointless meetings that could have been an email, just complete and total freedom to do whatever you want with your time. What would you do?
See, that kind of freedom, it isn't just about winning the lottery or having a massive pile of cash fall into your lap. It's about making a conscious, deliberate choice. A choice to put your time, your life, ahead of pretty much everything else.
And this whole idea, it actually has a name. You've probably heard of it, FIRE. It stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. At its heart, it's a lifestyle movement, and it's all built around one single powerful idea: gaining total control over your own time. You do that by becoming financially independent, which then, and this is the key part, gives you the option to stop working for money. And that brings us to the big question we're tackling today. What if getting this kind of freedom isn't about some secret formula you haven't found yet? What if the biggest thing holding you back isn't money or talent or even luck, but a single choice you're making right now?
So that's exactly what we're going to dig into. We're going to lay out the actual blueprint people are using to pull this off. And this isn't some pie-in-the-sky theory. This is based on the real-world experiences of people who have actually done it.
Okay, so it really boils down to 4 key steps, 4 pillars of the entire FIRE strategy. And again, this isn't just theory. This is a blueprint that's been distilled from one Redditor's incredible 20-year journey, a journey that led them to a net worth of over $4 million by their early 40s. So let's break it down.
All right, step 1, plan everything. And look, this isn't about some vague New Year's resolution to save more money. No, we're talking about getting granular, detailed spreadsheets, tracking tools. You want to know exactly where every single dollar is going. And think of it this way. It's not about being restrictive. It's about taking back control. Okay, next up, saving. And I mean aggressively. The real secret here is how you handle any extra money that comes your way. That bonus you got, it's not for a new TV. It's fuel for your savings engine. And here's a really powerful tactic for couples. Try living on just one salary and saving the entire other one. I mean, wow. That's how you build some serious momentum. Now, this next one, this is the silent killer of so many financial dreams. It's called lifestyle creep. You know how it goes, right? You get a raise, so you get a nicer apartment. You get another raise, you get a fancier car. Your spending just creeps up right along with your income. Well, the FIRE mindset completely flips that script. As your income grows, your savings rate is what grows, while your spending stays pretty much the same. That gap between what you earn and what you spend, that's your freedom fund. And when it comes to investing, well, this quote just nails it. You don't need to be some Wall Street whiz kid trying to time the market. The strategy is actually, believe it or not, super simple. Invest consistently in low-cost funds that cover the whole market. Think index funds or ETFs. You just set it, forget it, and let the magic of compound interest do all the heavy lifting for you. Don't overthink it. Okay, so all this planning and saving and investing is great, but what's the finish line? How do you know when you're actually done? How much money is enough money to retire and, stay retired? Well, it all starts with a concept that came out of the 90s called the 4% rule. Basically, a bunch of research looked at historical stock market data and figured out that you could safely withdraw about 4% of your total investment portfolio each year and have a really high chance of never running out of money. Now, it's a guideline, right? Not an ironclad law, but it gives us a fantastic starting point. And here's where it gets really cool. We can take that 4% rule and flip it on its head to get a simple, powerful target number. If 4% is what you can take out, then the total you need is, well, it's 25 times that amount. So your financial independence number is simply whatever you spend in a year times 25. That's it. That's your target. But let's be real, a number that big, is that even possible for a normal person on a normal timeline? Well, take a look at this. This is the actual net worth progression of that same Redditor we've been talking about. And just look at how the growth starts to accelerate. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It took 4 years to get that first million, but only 2 years to add the next $500,000. That right there is the power of compounding in action. It's incredible. Okay, so picture this. You did it. You followed the blueprint, you hit your 25x number, you've walked away from the 9 to 5 in your 30s or 40s. The grind is officially over. So, what happens next? What is life actually like on the other side? Well, it's this really fascinating balancing act. The dream part, the endless travel, the freedom from a boss, the time for hobbies, that's all very, very real. But it comes with a whole new set of challenges that people don't often talk about, like when your identity isn't tied to your job anymore and your whole daily structure just vanishes. You suddenly have to build a new purpose from scratch. You have to figure out how to handle boredom or even feeling isolated when pretty much everyone you know is still at work. On the one hand, you get these absolutely incredible stories of deep fulfillment, like Finamod, who said that leaving work opened the door not just to traveling the world, but to finding a partner and building more friendships than they had in the previous 20 years combined. Just amazing. But then you have the other side of the coin, people who hit the number, quit the job, and then realize, whoops, there's a giant void where my work used to be. This user literally said they died of boredom and found that all that unstructured time wasn't freeing at all. It was paralyzing. So now they're actually going back to work, not for the money, but just to build a new identity and a new purpose. And that brings us to what might be the single most important lesson in all of this, the golden rule. You don't retire from work, you retire to something. The people who are happiest in early retirement, they didn't just have a financial plan, they had a life plan. A plan for their time, their passions, their purpose. They weren't just running away from a job they hated, they were running toward a life they had intentionally designed. And that brings us right back to where we started this whole conversation. It all boils down to the power of a single choice, and then the next choice, and the one after that, all of them stacking up and aligning toward a future that you get to design. Look, this isn't even really just about retirement, it's about living your life on purpose. Maybe your goal is to travel the world. Maybe it's to start a business, or learn to play the guitar, or spend more time with your family. So, what choice are you making right now? What is one decision, just one small choice you can make today that starts you down the path to the tomorrow you actually want? Because at the end of the day, whether your goal is FIRE or something else entirely, the principle is exactly the same. The future rewards those who choose early. Those small, deliberate choices you make today, they compound over time. They are what create the freedom you'll have tomorrow. Subscribe to Next Gen Choices, because the future rewards those who choose early.